Okay, hello everyone. My name is Estrellita and today I'm going to talk about my trip to Quintana Roo that is located in Mexico and also my trip to Miami Beach that is located in the United States. I'm going to compare these two trips with food and the distance and also about the expenses. So first of all, I'm going to talk about my trip to Mexico. My family and I went there in 2018. So we traveled by car. It was a 12-hour trip. It was a long trip. We were exhausting, but we were happy because Mexico is beautiful. It's beautiful. We were amazed about everything, about the view, about how the streets are so clean. And my family and I rented an apartment there for 1 week. We spent a week in Playa del Carmen. Also, we visited other places like Isla Mujeres, Cancún, Playa del Fines, Xcaret, and Tulum. Okay, indeed, the food is very delicious and it is very cheap. I enjoy eating tacos, but my favorite ones are sopes. I love sopes. And in my opinion, okay, travel to Mexico is very cheap. The food is cheap, the restaurants, the clothes. So any person that wants to go there, you can spend 20 days there and you are not going to waste a lot of money and you're going to enjoy the trip. Also, I remember that we visited La Quinta Avenida, and it is a street that you can see many restaurants, a lot of performance stores where you can buy a lot of souvenirs, beautiful souvenirs, and candies. I love the spicy candies, especially the pulparindos. I cannot find it here in my country, but I love those candies. Well, finally, all I can say is that I enjoyed my trip. It was amazing, especially Playa del Fines. I love Playa del Fines. When I got there and I saw the ocean, I was shocked. I was amazed. It is beautiful, the color and everything is clean. So I just love it. And I hope that I can go there one day and spend more time. I didn't want to come back to my country because I wanted to stay there. I was thinking, oh, I want to stay there. Here is beautiful. Okay, so now, on the contrary, my trip to Miami Beach was totally different. First, I drove from Guatemala to Belize. There, I took the plane. So I took the plane from Belize to Houston. And then in Houston, I took another plane to Miami Beach. So it was a long trip. I can say that I spent a day traveling from Guatemala to Miami. And so there I spent 1 week with some friends, so I stayed at my friend's house. However, I didn't visit too much, or I didn't visit many places because they were working, so I just stayed at home and I watched TV, and some days I went for a walk. And one day they took me to Miami Beach. I was excited because I saw some pictures. I saw the ocean and I saw the beach and it looks beautiful. But when I arrived there, it wasn't like I was expecting. It wasn't like how I saw, how I saw the ocean or the beach in the picture. It was totally different. I don't know why, maybe because of the weather, but the ocean was kind of dirty. I saw a lot of seaweed there, and it was cold, so the ocean was kind of dirty, and I didn't like it. I didn't like it. I was disappointed because I expected something different. Okay, so also I can talk about the food. You know, it is expensive because of the money. So there I use dollars, so it is a little bit expensive for me. So, and also about the food, I didn't try anything new or different. So why? Well, I didn't like it at all. That part, I didn't like that part. But um, I what I like about Miami Beach that over there I saw like many beautiful places like in nature. So there I saw that many people use the bikeway so they can ride a bike and get from one place to another using their bikes. Also there are a lot of people exercising and skating or doing something different or just walking. So this is good. This is something different because I don't see that here in my country. I hope we can have a bike way because I like to exercise and I like to do cycling, but here we don't have that. So that is something that I really like about Miami, that the streets you can see many trees, the nature, and it's calm. But I think that I prefer Mexico. I prefer Mexico honestly, and it is a different. It's super different. So that's what I can say about my trip to Miami and Mexico.